All right, greetings. So I've got the new quarantine haircut that my daughter gave me. Hope you like it. So our lesson summary today was to do 3-note per string scales. So that's going to be, we'll just start this week with C major. So it's going to start with your 8th fret. On your low E string, it's 8, 10, 12, 8, 10, 12. And then 9, 10, 12, 9, 10, 12. And then 10, 12, 13, 10, 12, 13. So it's the same pairings on each, same set of notes on each pair of strings. Or same. Now with the picking, try to do down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. And try to let the pick fall from one string to the next. Almost like, so you go, and then going back up, it's going to be up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So then when you get it down, it's going to be... Oops. So that's that. Let's see. The next thing we talked about was the bluegrassy country lick. I'll start doing it off in the key of A. I'll do it off of A position, chord. And it's going to go, I'll go ahead and do, it's going to sound like this. So it can end on the low A or the high A. And it's going to be the second fret of the D string. So this, I'll put it in little clusters here. So that's going to be 2 on the D string and then 3, 4. And then back up to that second. So that's the first 4 notes. And then the next 4 are, so that's going to be 4th fret on the D, 2nd on A, 5th on D, and then back to 4th on D. And then it's going to go, so that's on the D string, 2, 4, 2, and then over on the A string, 5, 3, 4. And then, now you could use the open A, but if you want to move this around, you want to try to get that pinky over to the A. Now we can also do this same lick in the E style position. So now I'm going to do it up here, and it's going to be the same lick. So this time it's 5th on the B string, and then it goes over to the 5th on the G. So those are the first 4. So 5, and then over on G, it's going to be 5, 6, and then back to 5 on B. And then it's going to go 9 on B, and then 5th on B. So we got, and then, and then, so I got to work on my picking left, right hand too. You can do all sorts of stuff with it afterwards. So now we've got that one. Now you can also do it off of a C shape. here's your C chord, but we're doing it way up here. So now it's going to be, you're in the 9th position, and you're going to be going, so it's going to be 9, 10, 11 on the D string. So 9 on G, 10, 11 on D. And hopefully you're starting to connect the patterns here. And then the next part is going to be 11, 10, 11 on G, 10 on B. And then 12 on G and 11 on G. So that's the first part. There's a lick right there. And then we've got the last part. So we got and then we talked about how you can take this lick and move it around following that whole bluegrass progression that we were doing over the past couple weeks. And then you get anyway, so something like that. Anyway, so you can mess around with that, and I still need to explore that myself. Then we talked about the last week we did the 3 per 1, 2, 3. That kind of stuff. Now what we're going to do is let's just play a G chord, top part of it, and we're going to be doing these 3 strings, the D, G, B, and then we're going to shift over to the G, B, E. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So we could do that whole bluegrass thing. We could go. I'm going to go ahead and do a D7 chord because that's really tough to fit all the fingers in when you're going this fast. So, and then you can do this back to the G. So you got the. And you could, if you do it in the groups of 4 over 3. So you can go crazy with it. So yes, 3 notes per string. This week, just get comfortable with this one position. Next week, we'll do all the other positions. Ideally, eventually, you can start going, just... It helps you really know your neck, all the different scale spots. And then we did the lick. Anyway, so there's that. And then we did the 3 note per thing. Kind of banjo-y. All right, covered it all in about 10 minutes. I'll try to type up some tablature. I don't know if I'm going to have time to or not. But that was fun. Talk to you sometime.